Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s equals to shin t, because if I put this one go in here, you got about shin t square plus 1, we change cos t square, and later that we simplify by square root. The s you got about cos t dt after we do first derivative for the both sides. So this one we put in here, and the s we change by this one. This one we have the formula in here. That's about cos t square minus shin t square equals to number 1. So if I put this one go to the right, you got about cos t square equals to 1 plus shin t square. So this one we change by cos t square. The square root of this one you got about cos of t. Cos of t with cos of t, you got about cos of t square. Now we have the formula in here. Cos t square equals to cos of 2t plus 1 over number 2. So we change this one into this one. Now I will put number 2 go outside. And now we got the final answer. The integration of cos 2t, you got about 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1 you got about t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we got about t equal to r sin of s. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.